Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm doing in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about just to make this video longer, I'll straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Dragon Ball Legends right now, and a few key things about each that actually matter, so you can pick one and move on with your adventure. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my entire research doc for free and read it at your own pace. No joke. Let's get right to it. Top 3 VPN services for Dragon Ball Legends and why. First, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Dragon Ball Legends. Why? First, it reliably works with Dragon Ball Legends. That's super important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested, with low ping, no connectivity issues, no packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds, perfect for smooth battles. Features, it has the most features of any. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't. That's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available to keep your gaming safe. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and relatively cheap for everything you get. Negatives, 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Dragon Ball Legends is IPVanish. Why? It's a no-nonsense VPN built for pure performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth gameplay. Features, it has all the essentials gamers need and a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great to route only Dragon Ball Legends through the VPN or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, often cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available. AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might bug privacy buffs. Also, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Ideal for pure gaming and great value. Third best VPN for Dragon Ball Legends is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization here. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby for your Dragon Ball Legends sessions. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, a highly effective ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN on this list. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium option. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, top-tier tech with customization options. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US-based. Also, the app isn't quite as polished as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, and powerful VPN. Best if you're on a budget but want a massive network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Dragon Ball Legends, NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine because they all work perfectly for Dragon Ball Legends. Quick recap, if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Dragon Ball Legends with a premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that delivers incredible value and pure gaming performance. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and lots of advanced features for Dragon Ball Legends. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description, so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which VPN you chose. Have a beautiful